Good morning. It is September 16th. Market is like 4 minutes or 3 minutes and 20 seconds from opening. Got my report card and game plan for today up. Pretty much just sat down. Yesterday had a loss. Continued to chase that original loss down. Probably, don't revenge trade. Think you know where things are going. I don't even know what that was. Look at this time. But we took notes and kind of reflected on what could be done better. I think, first, made a bad call, took a loss, should walk away. Anyways, all of this said and done, we are alive and able to trade another day. So I'm grateful for that. And, Monday is only 1 of 5 trading days. So I'm definitely not going into this like, oh, I got to make my 300 back today. But it's like really just back to the same system, stack wins. And with that, like what adjustments can be made, when we see kind of this choppy action here, I think implementing something like an index like QQQ, which is what got me into this whole thing. It's like where I made my original money. So let's throw that back in the mix. Maybe it will show some more movement if we don't have anything intraday within these stocks that we've been targeting. And although I'm not going to make a change now, I'm just kind of thinking like, man, NVIDIA and AMD are pretty much the same. If you look at this movement yesterday, it was about the same. Meaning, like, if I see something over here, it's probably not going to be much over here, although there's a lot more news that happens with NVIDIA right now, it seems. So, anyways, all thoughts, slightly organized. Heading into today. Market opens in a minute. And, we're going to wait for the 5-minute candle. Excuse me. Okay, so we're going to wait for the first 5-minute candle to close. Mark that on these 4 charts. Identify a move and try to capture some of that movement. I think, there's really, I don't know what the heck's going on with Tesla. They did have this news release about some busted door handles. QQQ hit an all-time high yesterday and then again overnight. So, I don't know, will we retreat or continue to be bullish? And AMD crossed this big trend line yesterday, so I don't know if that's going to continue upward, but NVIDIA is also on an upward trend. So, here we go. Market's open. And 5-minute candles are out. Yeah, a lot of people are claiming AMD kaputty. We'll see. Patience is the name of the game today. I mean, trying not to recollect yesterday other than the lessons it can provide, but patience. See these big blue candles. Whatever. So we just swept Asia and London lows on AMD and NVIDIA. QQQ might be heading that way. Move it here so I can kind of get an idea of where any movement, if at all, has happened. Just thinking about Willis. Okay. Just looking at today's Tuesday. Okay. Dancing on NVIDIA. Slight move lower on. Not a slight move lower. We're moving lower. I didn't really mark lines on NVIDIA, so I'm not really even sure like what could be, or an AMD. So I'm not as sure what some of these lines mean. I know there's a ton of equity right here. I didn't fucking mark it. Might actually just go like this so my fucking eyes can see better. First candles close here soon, so NVIDIA is moving it down, and I kind of hate this auto right now. It's not hooking me up, but whatever. Well, everybody's doing the same thing. The trend. Hold on. Alright, now I gotta make sure these are all fucking right. Which they are. I'll go down to the one. If I look at the 15, like none of the QQQ, ND, and NVIDIA are giving me pretty good signs that we are crossing down, potentially also Tesla. Tesla actually, yeah. It's amazing the patience you can develop when you're fucking. It's like, well, I lost money yesterday, so I'm gonna hold on a second. Well, the system's pretty clear. Wait for a candle to close on, you know, the other side. Looking at Tesla puts at 410, 400. Well, this is the kind of shit that got me in trouble yesterday, by the way, with what Tesla's doing right now. Oh, excuse me. Look at closed, body closed below the line. Volume. Oh, guys, you gotta fucking. 842, 800, 200, 227. Tesla retreating downward. AMD retreating upward. QQQ kind of giving me the story I've been looking for. 590. Where are you at? 591. 5 minute, because we are almost 10 minutes in. Second candle's telling a little story. Uh-oh, we got the London lows, and then we motherfucking bounced. Then we motherfucking bounced. What did I put over here? You know, I thought this door thing, the report of their door handles falling off from the Model Ys from 2021 was going to create some downward pressure on the market, which it still might. I am not out of the picture on Tesla puts and QQQ puts. We'll see what happens. We haven't had anyone actually close blue. This is still dancing. And in 45 seconds, we'll see what the next candles are doing, but they are developing. These were developing in a way that I thought they would. These ones reversing makes me feel less confident. They're also pretty much doing one and the same, so it's like, I don't know. Sorry. 20 seconds. What do you see? Yeah, yesterday's lows that they're hunting for. We might end up hunting for these lows and then turn it around. We're either going to hunt for the lows and turn around, or we're going to hunt for the lows and we're going to keep on going. But as of right now, I'm basically halfway to an orb strategy. Testing. I got that Starbucks Pikes Peak 71 flowing. A little shaky. But we're not, not confident. Well, but it just tested that again. This is, I think, testing its way down. How are these developing? The indicators I do use are getting reversed there and coming into true here. Doop-a-dop-doop-a-dop-doop-a-doo-doo-doo-doo. I think I might just start looking at QQ. We're going to switch over here. What are we looking at right now? Put QQQ 590, boy? Well, it's already in the money, right? No. Okay, we can mess with this price point. Probably go live with it. Currently not at that price. Currently at this price. Volume, 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 QQQ put volume. A lot of 592 put. Let's keep an eye on Tesla. What's happening? This just got tested twice. So these Larrys might be on their way up. This is reversing. It's pushing back up. So that could be it, dude. Taking a small 180 position, Nvidia call, but I just want to keep it chill today, bro. I don't want to invest in too many different things. 2 minutes on that, 2 minutes on that. Big movement, big time, big time. Dancing in this is not fun though. Okay. Oh, dude. It didn't take out the low. Markets don't give a fuck right now about science. I mean, I don't know. What the fuck? Yep. A little morning top reversal. Morning bottom reversal could be at play here, but volume. Tesla dancing, QQQ making a turn, or just get about to dance. AMD failing to make higher highs. Nvidia's making moves. I've been burned on Nvidia so many times. QQQ and Nvidia are the only ones making like meaningful motion to me. Upwards. If this cross here happens, it's not happening. Nothing's happening. We're still looking down. We still have 5 seconds. Let's see where these candles close. Okay. Well, those candles all closed pretty heavy sell. 5 minute is moving because Tesla just decided to freak out, like always. And the QQQ decided to freak down. Nvidia did exactly what I thought. It was gonna fucking freak out. I'm talking to myself a lot here because I'm just trying to internalize what is happening. A lot of it is just like managing my emotions as these candles move, and I like don't let that, like this big green candle here, like out of nowhere. I don't know. I feel like I paid for some classes yesterday that I should just be listening to, and damn, I wish I had put some better markers out there for AMD because I don't really know what it's wanting to do right now. We'll see what it does off these lines. These guys just straight up took out yesterday's lows and highs, probably. I don't even know. Okay. Tesla's dancing forward up. Choppy chip stocks. QQ moving down. We'll see what happens with this candle, because if it does not make a high, I don't know. bucks a piece. So that's 200. Yeah, okay. Okay. Tesla's going to the moon. We are dancing on these chip stocks, which doesn't make me excited. I'm excited to be watching QQQ because maybe it will give more action, although it's making lower highs and lower lows. I mean, I want QQQ to go down so that I can just do it. Yeah, Tesla, you dodge. 15. 5. Hehe. I don't want a bunch of positions out there that could potentially fail me. We'll see what happens off this zone, where it could be consolidating to go higher here. I honestly don't hate AMD right now. Oh, they're so cheap. Where is it? 162. Not a lot of option volume here. Yeah, you got only a few people on Earth trading. This one's got a little bit of volume. Not a lot of volume here. So that doesn't make me super excited. But anyways. Whoa, guys. 5 minute and the one Tesla. Everybody else, Tesla's dancing back down. Nvidia dance down. I'm gonna go hit the restroom real quick. Oh, did I miss it? Did the market freaking move? Sorry, I just had some eggs with my coffee. All right. Well, QQQ dancing down is seemingly where I want to be. I see a lot of blue volume candles, stronger than green. Um, like Tesla's dancing, but it's not. So, oh, look at this. What if it reverses? It's possible. It's possible. You know what I don't have is more lines on QQQ on like where it might need to be. Yes, I do. Oh no. Are you fucked? Okay. 5-minute auto. Yep. I like it. Let's see what happens. Are we gonna go here? Or are we gonna reverse? I don't even know what the fuck is going on. Okay, now Tesla's being fucking crazy. There's something in the news? Yeah, the fucking handles on the cars fall off. What is the deal with this stock? Look at these other fucking charts and then look at this guy. I don't know though, that's a pretty good sign. But she burned me yesterday. So let's just back out to a 5. Oh my lord, have mercy. Honestly, should I just let Tesla pull QQQ up? Because I don't really want to be into the volatility there. What are you doing to me? Why can't I see the top and bottom of the 5-minute candle, guys? That's so annoying. This is what I don't understand. What the fuck happened? Where'd it go? Where's my fucking line, dude? Look at that. How weird is it that my 5-minute candle is gone? Like, what the fuck happened to it? Weird. I'm kind of freaking out right now. I'm a little pissed off. God damn you bastards. Okay, I'm clicking the button. I don't know what the fuck you want me to do though. Like, how do you not, you know? Consolidation downwards on QQQ, and see, these guys are still being choppy as fuck. We're gonna go auto. Alright, I'm gonna switch to 2 charts. Look at Tesla, dude. What the W? I think QQQ is my trade for today. Let's see. I Thank you, QQ is my trade for today. Let's take a risk. That's 60 times 4 is 200. I don't know, part of me just is like, this thing's going to hit Asia low in reverse. But I guess I have other lines. I just wish it wouldn't be so fucking annoying. You know, just keep it chill with it, bro. Alright, I'm feeling pretty okay about this. Well, 30 plus 20 is 50, so I'd like to be even lower than that. All right, let's start with 2 at 60. Then we can buy 2 more if it goes down. Ooh, this one closed. I could have followed my rule. Well, this is it's a doji that's. Oops. Oh, let's just see. Market makers either moved in on me or, yeah. Could be a reversal happening. I don't know, though.
Man, I'm not good, dude. I'm gonna get stopped out again 2 days in a row. Gosh. Is this truly a reversal candle? Like, did you have read the doji right? I don't know. Because now I'm just hoping that it goes down. But I don't know if I read it right. Like, I felt like we were going down, actually. That big blue candle kind of gave me the impression green doji might have been the, hey, we did what we know how to do, now we're reversing. So, guess we'll find out here. But either way, we're moving and grooving. We're in the trade. We're live. The coffee's probably got a lot to do with the nerves. Going for 38 minutes. I don't know, it seems like it was pretty soft volume wise, so let's go back over here, see what's going on. Tesla. Be lying if I wasn't saying I hope I'm right today, and that I don't know if I am. I really do hope I read that right. You took out the Asia highs, you took out the Asia lows yet? You have not. Oof. Fuck. It's a tough game. Be lying if I said it was not for the faint of heart. Yeah, we reversed. Doji means reverse. Hit Asia bottoms, why wouldn't we reverse? Bummer. $60. Shit. There's no gods that you can pray to. It's the patience of a doji candle showing you that the market is reversing. If we go here on the 15, yeah, we hit. Now we want to move up. Tesla's blue or green as fuck. A little bit of softening to move some motherfuckers out, but yeah. Oof. Bodies tell stories. There is more volume here, though. Volume 1,622,7. I mean, there's just more sell volume, so I would imagine they were just trying to pop through some of this. The bodies are closing lower, though, but that's not fun to see. Okay, whatever. It is what it is. I'm in the trade. I set my limits. Gonna move forward gracefully. It looks like I'm gonna get stopped out, though. What's crazy is my stop too soft, like 20, 40, 60, 80. Should I stop at 38? Here, we can stop two of them at 38. No. She's telling me the story, boys. Yep. Yep. We got a reversal. What do you do? I don't know if it's a reversal. I mean, fuck. What an emotional. This is where it gets real. So I already lost money today. I don't know how much more I'm willing to lose, but, you know,
Any calls here? I mean, are 592 3 calls something to even look at? I mean, Jesus. 37 cents. Jesus, they're nothing. 592 to offset your fucking losses? That's a weird game to play. Ugh. This is not the week I thought I'd have. Seeing Tesla do that and then this do the opposite is a little bit weird to try to conceptualize at once. There's a lot going on. How much am I down for the day? I don't look at the P&L, which is pretty good. I don't know what you're doing. That's a big candle, bro. Well, I wonder how many subscribers I'll get just filming my losses. That's a big green candle right there. That's indicative. Smaller, bigger body, less volume. Who knows? Maybe I was right and I just need to be patient. Patience. Looks like that other one did stop me out a little bit too early, so that was silly-ish. How do you feel? Get back in with 2 more at 50? Well, you saw me move that stop loss on these two, and I didn't get stopped out, so I don't want to be silly about it, but all right, we got 2 to risk-free trade. Oh, and those fucking hit. Jesus Christ. That was stupid. I basically got in and out. You gotta be careful with them stop losses, dude. I'll take that as a sign that this is, my last trade. Hoping for the best here, but obviously, subject to whatever the fucking market does. This is a pretty big deal. Come on, boys. It's a really big battle right now between buyers and sellers. I'm on the side of the sellers, so I'm a little biased. Oh man, y'all getting fucking freaky with it. So yeah, I'm looking at a 1 minute and a 5 minute. You can see those dark blue lines are the bottom of the first 5 minute candle. So just kind of anticipating downward trend here. As you can see, we've been dancing lower. I think we can still dance lower. This could be a patience play. I mean, I don't know how much more patience I have, but let's go, baby. What do we got here? For this candle, just close. How you looking? How you looking? How you looking? Not looking good. Not looking good. Just brand new candle started. We gotta. Not a lot of buy volume there though. Nothing to worry about. Or everything to fucking worry about. Jesus. This is in my way. Here we go. Well, it didn't go up. Oh boy. I'm inclined to buy 2 more right here and walk the fuck away. No matter what happens. Wow, interesting. AMD is actually did make moves up. AMD looks like it's actually climbing. Wow. Okay. I don't know. Kind of a pain in the ass, dude. AMD's climbing. I knew I was like, oh, maybe I should throw a fucking 180 call, whatever. I mean, still maybe. Where? 162? I'm getting stopped out here in a second. Fucking Kanja. Dude. This game is kind of pissing me off. I mean, I'm... This is a revenge trade. I mean, but like, at least they're the stock's freaking moving where it's supposed to freaking move to. But that is a pretty good reversal. It could be coming for it, so I don't know. A lot of losses in the last 2 days here, realistically, like close to 200 per day.
So trading that is stupid. This is going down. All right, AMD or QQQ. QQQ, I mean, could be making a reversal finally. If it breaks above that line, AMD has some work to do as well. Got about a little bit left before I do just think I'm out of fucking energy. Just took a small trade on what I'm seeing here with QQQ. Decent volume in this call option.
just thought the volatility of this thing and the lower, there's some decent volume, but it's just like moving a whole lot, you know. I'd want to be in like here, so we're here, excuse me for that. And that morning bottom reversal I'm looking for. My max loss on this trade is $24, so also a reason I went with a smaller priced call. I know that's a pretty high price, although it'll print if it gets anywhere it needs to. So, and it's 16 cents. You know, 20% is like 20 cents. So you know, it's 3 cents right there. It's almost 20%. My Weeble. Dude, moving stuff around on here is hilarious. We got like 17 notifications. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. I'm supposed to have a call. But I've not got confirmation yet. It wasn't paid for, so. Come on, baby, come on, ladies. £1 fees. Come on, ladies, come on, ladies. I'm gonna have to cut that out. What I want to see is this motherfucking bar right here go up to like here. So I'm gonna see if I have any coffee left, and yeah. Go the other way. There's some threats here of blue, but that's okay. Whoo! Whoo! Okay, you're either gonna watch me become an amazing trader over the next month, or I'll disappear because I ran out of money. Dude, why are we dancing like this? It doesn't make any fucking sense, dude. Green candles still. Y'all just being lame as hell. I did move it to 9. There we go. Okay. Still got volume here. We're moving. Just taking out some people who think they know what's up. But you know what the real deal is? They don't. They don't. No problem. That's a problem. Oh, man. Okay.
hard to not feel like I may not have a system. um, yeah, fuck. I mean, candles are good. Come on, buyers. As soon as I talk to the buyers, they get all scared. Was this a double retest? So I got stopped out here. And so I think it's going up. And then now it starts to go down. Oh, frick. What the hell's going on? Tesla fucking moving all around is really fucking shit up for me. So, not really sure what to make of all that. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to get stopped out here. So, definitely done trading for the day. I'm probably now looking at $400 lost over the last 2 days. So, not feeling good. But, yeah. Gosh.
one time, just fucking push through here, dude. Just fucking push through here, dude. Just bam. Well, we've overextended ourselves on losses by about 100%. My max loss, comfortable daily loss is 100 per day, and I'm down 200 per day now. So a lot of lessons to be learned here. Not done by any means. Of course, like, my account balance will determine that fully. But yeah, just gonna keep kind of learning. Although these were losing trades today, some of the wins that I would like to highlight are my patience, at least waiting until 8:17, 8 o'clock, 8:08, 8:03 to make a move. So I didn't get thrown by anything happening. And also just kind of being more cautious with my order size, dollar cost averaging into things. I mean, this one, like, it would totally suck to lose this trade right here. I really hope this Franken thing does what I think it's supposed to do right now. I mean, I don't need it to make a huge move to get profitable, but yeah, I mean, if it gets stopped out, I've lost another $28. So, minimizing my losses, which is great. I'm not going to revenge trade later in the day or anything like that, as much as I would love to come back and see a move. There's other shit to do today for me. So, yeah, probably just going to watch this one for a little bit longer. But honestly, I'm kind of comfortable with where my stop loss and take profit is. If that take profit hits, I'm up $12. So, I might just watch this for a little bit. Hopefully I can set my stop loss to this, right? And, we see this bad boy climb a little bit more. Maybe I can, sell at 26 and get some of that capital back. That's all like the most wishful thinking on the earth. But, yeah, something else I've learned too is to not associate the losses here with my own personal value. Seeking validation through winning trades is a slippery slope, and it goes both ways. Like, when you win, you feel really good, but then when you don't, you feel really bad. So minimizing that spectrum for your emotional sake is huge. Can't say I wish I didn't freaking cash out big today, but the day's not over. I mean, look at this thing. It's like dancing. Like, every time I think it's going to do what I think it does the opposite. So, but maybe I'm in a good place here because it did this, and then this threatened a lot of people, but it didn't get quite lower. I'm in a call now, so I'm wanting it to go up. We are moving up higher than we were before. But we're just dancing. We haven't moved between 10 and 12 in like 10 minutes. So I'm hoping the buyers here are holy fuck. You see this? Holy shit. Yeah, I'm down 24. Not even out yet. Yep, there we go. 32. Well, that just goes to show I have no clue what the fuck is going on in the market. Maybe you had the right one and you just got stopped out too early. I don't know what the fuck happened. Let's see. I mean, you you got into the QQQ 590 put for 57 and 60 cents. 590 put on QQQ. Yeah, it's not moved. Anyways. Okay, well, we are down 105 today. So, yeah, that's definitely a done. 3 days left in the week to learn. Another day to trade left. And, man, I just don't know what the freaking crap is going on here, you know? Is Tesla about to freaking take off? I don't know. Looking at my 5-minute candles, there's this, like, what I thought was what I could ride the momentum of is not proving to be that. You know, here's your 5-minute candle. It's like, do I immediately get in here and then get out? I mean, it did pretty much do its thing and rise back out. It dropped back down and hit this. Tested this, it rose up, rose down on it. I mean, are you like... AMD, you doing anything different? Nope. You didn't do what I thought you were going to do. And NVIDIA's being choppy as fuck. Okay. Damn. Interesting. See, on the 5, it's lagging. On the 15, it doesn't tell me. But when it crossed here at 28,